Why do we use the terms left and right for the political spectrum? The answer dates back to 1789 during the French Revolution. Angry with the king and France's unequal voting system in the Estates Générales, members of the Third Estate or Commodores created the National Assembly. In the National Assembly, there were clear ideological differences. Those who supported the Ancien Régime sat to the president's right, while revolutionaries sat to his left. We can already see modern similarities. Those on the right wanted to conserve the status quo, while those on the left sought reform. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the terms evolved beyond seating arrangements to broader political ideology. In France, Republicans are those who wanted a republic identified as left, while conservatives aligned with the right. The term soon spread to other countries and were associated with political movements and parties. In Europe, socialists called themselves leftists, solidified by the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia, while the world wars as ideological battles between far-right fascists and far-left communists solidified extremes. In Cold War America, the left saw associations with progressive social policies and government intervention, while the right emphasized conservatism, capitalism, and limited government. Today, the left-right spectrum generally reflects progressivism and conservatism, but these categorizations are complex and vary greatly across countries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more.